Hey guys, I welcome you again in this another tutorial video. In this video, we will see the difference between structured programming and object-oriented programming. So, for those who don't know me or new here, hey guys, I'm Ujjwal and I make Java tutorial just like this. So, if you're interested in those stuff, then please consider subscribing. Now, I hope you all are doing great and right along. So, let's kick this video. So, guys, there are many differences between structure and OOPS, and in this video, we'll talk about few major ones. So, the number one is in structure, we can say in this type of language, large programs are divided into smaller programs called function, where in OOPS or object-oriented programming, in this type of language, programs are divided into objects. The second is procedural programming or structure programming is based on unreal world, where OOPS or object-oriented programming is based on real world. The number three is in structure, there is no access specifier. But in OOPS, we have access specifier. As we know, we have public, private, protected, and we have some more. In procedure programming, overloading is not possible, but in OOPS, overloading is possible, as you have seen the example of method overloading already. Structure programming does not have any proper way of hiding the data, so we can say it's a less secure, where in OOPS provide the data hiding, so it's more secure. Data hiding like abstraction and encapsulation. In structure, it follows the top-down approach, where OOPS follow the bottom-up approach. If you talk about some examples of structure programming languages, so C, Pascal, Algo, and Modal 2 is the best examples. And if you talk about OOPS, then we have C++, Java, C has. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you understand the difference between structure and OOPS. That's all for this vid. See you in the next. Bye bye.